Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply for an e-visa to Thailand. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And I want to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. First of all, guys, not everyone needs a visa to travel to Thailand. Like if I use my Canadian passport, I don't need a visa to go to Thailand. Like I can get visa on arrival or it could be visa free. I need to check. I've not yet checked it. So the very first thing you need to do is like uh, you need to check if you need an tourist visa, and a lot of people get visa on arrival as well. For example, Indians get visa on arrival. So if I go for this, do I need a tourist visa? So this is the way you can find out. Do I need a tourist visa? So if I select Canada, if I select Canada, number of days, if I select 20, check. Enter without a visa for no longer than 30 days. Fine, I don't need in this situation, right? And but if I make it, let's say 60, check. With tourist visa, you can stay in Thailand for no longer than 60 days. You can extend your stay. Okay, so but then I need to apply. All right. Am I eligible to apply online? This is also very important. If I select Canada, we'll go through multiple. Again, I'll set Canada. If I check, you can apply a visa online. Perfect. Which type of visa should I apply for? Again, this is very important. Ordinary passport, purpose of visit. If I say tourist visa, tourism, leisure activities, check. Here you can apply this one. So first of all, you need to see if you really need to apply or not. And if you are, when you apply online, you need to create an account, fill the application, upload documents, pay visa fee, wait approval. So we will definitely not go up to here and here, but we'll see how it goes. So very first thing is to create an account. Okay. So you can create an account as an individual, as an agent too. Okay. You need to, so if when you apply as an individual, what are the things you need? First name, last name, country, contact number, email, password, confirm password, and this code. So I am gonna proceed with that. Register, you get an email that you need to click a link on verify, and then you come to this page, and here you can log in, and from here we can proceed. All right. So let's proceed with that. So after you are done with the passport and other photograph upload, you need to provide personal information. You can see very basic information they have asked. Travel document information, address, employment details, and the next you will put your travel plan. So I won't go over there, but you got the idea. Then you pay the fee and then take it up from there. So you need to fill as per your nationality. Okay. And as I said, many nationality don't even have to go through this process. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.